This video is for those of you who are having trouble with your car not cranking over. The starter seems to be the issue, or the battery seems to be the issue, but then when you test both of them, they're both fine. And then you test the power when you power up your starter solenoid, which is located in the Subaru right down in this area, and it doesn't have any power when you turn the key into the start position. So to get around this, you can do setting up what's called a jumper wire, and that's what I've done. So I've connected a jumper wire to the always hot part of the starter, and then a jumper wire to the solenoid. And I actually bought this very handy thing at the auto parts store. It's called a remote starter switch. And so when you go to start your car, you can go ahead and try this. Initially, you start it and nothing happens like before. But then you go ahead and give this a whirl. Turn the key. And that didn't quite work right, but let's try it with not holding the camera. And there you go. You just got to hit both of them at the same time. And then now you have a starter. At least temporarily, till I get my what's called the neutral safety switch, which I think is located down in this area of the car. And so when I get the neutral safety switch from the dealer, then I can go ahead and make a correct repair to this car. But this is just a temporary way of starting the car that seems to work pretty well, at least for now. Thank you so much for watching.